Good evening, my dear students. On continuation with the yesterday's class, Erythroblastosis fetalis, today we are going to study about sex determination. Sex determination means the distinction between male and female is established in species. Identification of male and female in organisms. How to determine the sex? In human being, it is very easy to determine the sex by seeing the form. But in all organisms, how to determine the sex? There is one scientific concept involved here. Organisms having two types of chromosomes. One is body chromosomes, it's called autosomes, and another one is sex chromosomes. Sex chromosome is further divided into two types, homomorphic, heteromorphic. Homomorphic, morph means a form, homo means similar, similar type of sex chromosome and dissimilar type of sex chromosome, the heteromorphic. Example, XX is the homomorphic, XY is heteromorphic. And more importantly, the XX, the homomorphic, it produces only one type of gamete, hence it is called homogametic. And heteromorphic sex chromosomes produces two types of gametes, either X or Y, hence it is called heterogametic. Based on these two types of gamete, heterogametic, the chromosomal basis of sex determination is given here. Now, the chromosomal basis of sex determination is of two types, heterogametic male and heterogametic female. That means the male is having two different types of chromosome, heteromorphic. Heterogametic female means the female is having two different types of chromosomes. Here, then the specialized concept is sex determination in human being by means of chromosomes. Heterogametic male. There are two types, XX, XO type, XX, XY type. Now you see the parent P, the heterogametic male. That means the male is having two different types of chromosomes. AA is a autosome, is always same. XO, two different types of chromosomes. Here, AAXX, the female. I already told you the homomorphic produces only one type of gamete. In the same way here, these and all homomorphic, this is heteromorphic. AAXX produces one gamete AX and AAXO produces two gamete AX and AO. By crossing these, AX and AX give AAXS. AX and AO combined form AAXO male. AAXS female. This is what XXXO type of sex determination. Then XXXY type of sex determination. AAXX is female, homogametic, and heterogametic male. AAXY is a heterogametic male. And male here produces two types of gamete, female produces one type of gamete. That one type of gamete combined with these two forms gives AAXX female and AAXY male. This is what XXXY type. A will become common, hence A is nothing but the autosomes or body chromosomes. Now, heterogametic female. Here, the female is having two different types of sex chromosome, Z and O. Z is one sex chromosome, O is another sex chromosomes. Here now you see the parent female AAZ2O, male AAEZEZ. And as in the case in the previous case, here the heteromorphic, it produces two types of gamete, AEZ, AO. And here the male produces one type of gamete, AEZ. And AEZ and AEZ combined to form AAEZZ male. AO and AZ combine to form AAZO female. This is one type of sex determination, heterogametic female. Next, ZW, ZZ type. Female, AAZW, heterogametic, heteromorphic. AAZZ male, homomorphic. As I already told you earlier, AZAW, it produces two type of gamete, and AZ one type of gamete because homomorphic, and all these gamete combine together to form AAZZ male and AAZW female. The examples of these heterogametic female is given in book The Gypsy Moth, The Grasshopper. All are some examples. Now we can come to sex determination in human being. Human being always having 23 pairs of chromosomes and total 46 chromosomes. Among those 46, the male is heterogametic, female is homogametic, hence having same type of sex chromosome. And among the 46 chromosome, 44 is autosome, the body chromosome, 2 is sex chromosome, X and Y, XY. In the same way, 44 autochromosome and in female XX. And the gamete, male produce sperm 22A plus X, one type of gamete, 22A plus Y, another type of gamete. Female, hence it is a homogametic, 22A plus X only. And all these combine together to form 44A plus XX female and 44A autosome plus XY male. All these result. In this way, through chromosome, the sex is determined in human being. So, this is very important and simple concept. I made it simple, and you can refer book and you can understand very easily. Tomorrow we will meet with next concept. Thank you.